Okay, I'm going to get started. This is the December new product release. First item we'll talk about is some 3500 cylinder kits. There's two new part numbers, the 192 3896 and 342 9847. Those are the piston part numbers. There are two different compression ratios. One's 11.4 to 1 and one is 10 to 1. And pretty basic stuff here, similar features and benefits that with our other 3500 cylinder kits. The liner's induction hardened, roll burnished flange, and the pistons you can see in the picture there, those all have different kind of coatings on them, and most of them are skirt coated, so there is graphite on the skirt. One thing different about the 192 part number piston, you can see it's got an offset bowl there, which is kind of unique to that part number for this application. Also for 3500, there's two new intake and exhaust valves. Caterpillar has gone through a number of different changes and updates on valve train. They continue to change the valves. I think this update is because the newer valves, they move to a different manufacturer. But there's two new part numbers there, as you can see. These replace the very common, the 307 4641 and the 308 9177. That's 3500 gas application. There's a close-up of the valve. You can see it's got a high temp head, multiple piece construction, and it's got a chrome plated stem. For C9, there's a new oil pump assembly, the 331 8905. You can see it looks very similar to a 3126. The difference I'll point out on this one, you can see inside the holes there, the pickup and the discharge hole. This uses a gear rotor design to pump the oil. So this is a brand new assembly. There's gaskets and O-rings that are included with it, and this is for C9 applications, mostly industrial. Also, it does fit some marine applications as well. There's a close-up of the pump. You can see the gear rotor inside there. Also for C9 and C7, there's a new idler gear bushing, the 1154072, that allows replacement for the idler gear. It's a tri-metal style bushing with a plating on it. And then lastly is a water pump for a Cummins B application. This is for ISBe and QSBe Euro 6 applications, 547-2982. It looks like every other old B series water pump except the pulley the dry pulley is a little bit smaller, and it does use a phenolic or plastic impeller. Those do come with the mounting O-ring. Okay, that is it I had for this presentation.